Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to recover Steam account without password or username. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to store.steampower.com. Once you're here, tap on Login on the upper right. Once you are now in this window, the next step you need to do is to tap on Help, I can't sign in. Once you are here, tap on the first option. Then for now, enter your email address or your phone number associated with your Steam account. Once done, tap on I am not a robot to verify yourself. Then tap on Search. In here, tap on the first option once again. Now open your Gmail, the one that is linked or the one that you input over at Steam Support. On your inbox, look for the email sent via Steam Support. And then in here, just press on the button that says Resume Recovery. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.